Hold on, did he take 6 trades in one session? In one? Wow. Yo, what's good, man? How y'all doing? Um, I got like a special video today, as you can see right here. Reaction. Today we're reacting to this Iman trading exposing ICT. I mean, shit. Let's see what this is gonna be about, because I use ICT concepts, but I haven't had any problems. Like, currently on a winning streak, winning streak. Haven't lost a trade in this week. I mean, obviously I trade a little bit different than ICT. I have my own ways. I mean, obviously concepts, ICT concepts, but everybody should just adapt. Adapt to the markets. Don't just do no BS. You know what I mean? Bye, man. Let's just react to this video. Like, I've seen a couple of these Iman tradings videos. I mean, shout out to Iman. Like, hilarious videos. I go lie, man. It's good to be aware.
And it just so happens that
humiliating 6-month 97% loss and multiple failed Robbins Cup attempts. Only uploading wins on Twitter tricked the fraud into believing his own lies, which led to a catastrophic 2-day rise and fall of one of his first real...
Man, this is from the start, man. This is really attacking, like, attacking ICT. I mean, obviously, like, it's good to spread awareness.
Trading live streams ever. But what happened after is the real story.
you don't think they're watching me?
Bro, ICT slap, bro. This guy's laughing like a maniac. Like a villain, bro. Like a villain.
I've seen me do things with trades, with accounts, and I've called things on Twitter live minute by minute. And you're going to get a taste of that here visually. Folks, I would have paid money for someone to teach me what I'm going to show you today, and you're getting it for free.
After going 95...
I mean, shit, bro's trying to get his bread up, like...
$100 into profit. His first trade fell to the $300 stop loss.
Oh, he took a loss.
Trade number 2 briefly looked good before the $200 loss, which is all it took to get a sample of what would come later.
Oh, I actually heard about this thing in TikTok. On TikTok, like, I heard he was down 4-0 on singular session. I mean, that's crazy, bro. Like, I mean, he's ICT, bro. I'm not gonna complain. He knows how to trade, but come on, man. 4 trades in one session? I don't even do that, bro. I mean, no one should do that. Like...
There you go. I'm sitting here thinking, how many of you are putting stop loss there? And the 15,000 are watching. Oh, that's 15,000 stop losses right there. Let's run right to that.
And for the final trade of the day, an immediate reversal would make it 3 losses in a row and a total of minus $740.
Some of you might be thinking, well, why did you take 3 stop outs today, ICT? I mean, you're supposed to be Mr. This and Mr.
That's the question that I asked.
Mr. That. Well, I am Mr. This and that. Okay.
Now for day 2. Surely it goes better with no excuses, right?
Look at that. You guys are following my stops. If I place my stop publicly, and people are going to be following me in a large degree, that's
shit. I don't know.
There's your stop. You don't think these markets are rigged?
And so after a
bro, I swear the laughing, bro, it's like nervous laughing. I mean, it's kind of hilarious.
string of losses, ICT made the smart and professional decision of tripling the trading size from 1 to 3 contracts, just like all good traders do. This time going...
Hold on, ICT? Revenge trading? That's crazy, bro. I mean...
$75 into profit right before, you guessed it, falling to the $450 stop loss, demonstrating the precision ICT always talks about as long as you do the opposite of him, since that loss was 6 times bigger than the maximum unrealized profit. And so, ladies and gentlemen, after 5 losses in a row and losing over $1,500, when we needed him most, your mentor's mentor, the wrecking ball, the ghost in the machine, Michael J. Huddleston, took a trade and won... $75.
Bro, listen to the laugh.
$75.
Listen to the laugh.
So, 6...
Man, restart ratio is great, right? I mean, look at this PNL. bro.
trades
That's
total,
crazy.
5 losses in a row.
I mean, that's what my P&L used to look like fucking in the beginning. Like, I had no clue how to trade. I had no clue about resort ratio. And I just put the trades up. And I was wondering why did I always make less than I lose? Hope that makes sense. But you understand, like,
And the only winning trade was less than half the size of the smallest losing trade. But I do not like math, except for right now, to see the odds of losing 5 trades in a row with a 96% win rate. But forget 96%, even with a 60%
alright, damn.
win rate, losing 5 in a row is a 1% chance,
Damn,
which
we're
isn't
cooking
exactly in
ICT,
line with
bro.
claiming to have the holy grail, to be the creator of the algorithm.
I go like this. I mean, ICT concepts, they do work. It depends who's implementing them. I mean, let's be honest, almost any freaking strategy can work, but as you saw right there, ICT, revenge trading, taking four trades in a row, and I mean shit. Obviously, I don't know. Maybe there's a slight possibility that when there's like 10,000 of people watching him live trading, then it creates like liquidity. But I don't know. I don't know. Like, still, 4 trades in a row and revenge trading.
Rhythm that controls price action. No, listen to me.
Like, you cannot defend that.
Inventor of the algorithm that
I don't care
controls
who you
price
are.
action. And to always be
That's
yapping about
something to
precision
learn.
and how great he is at trading while saying stuff like this.
Nothing out there is better than what my concepts do. There's nothing better than precise. I'm just saying my stuff is superior to everybody else's. Go back and look through your charts and you will see what I just said is algorithmically proven to you. It goes on every single week. It happens this way all the time. It does it all the time. It's flawless. It never fails. It's always in the charts. You can set your life around it as a model.
So, as you already saw,
Again, like I told you, it can be facts. It can be true. It can be true. But again, if you don't have your psychology right, it's not gonna work. Like if you're just gonna revenge trade like you did, it's not gonna work. Like, come on, man. You're the like number one trader influencer. It's just, I don't know. Like, all I'm saying. I mean, shout out to ICT. Obviously, like, he knows how to trade, but maybe he had a bad day. Okay.
the first day ended
Obviously,
up
I'm not me trading. Obviously, not like I'm not one of those ICT fan who thinks that trading ICT is like a holy grail. I was just saying.
after losing all 3 trades for a total of minus 37 points. So it might confuse you to hear ICT say the following.
There you go. $885.55 profitable day.
This will be shocking.
With this
but
ICT paper trading. Oh, he's paper trading, but like I think he may have connected the MetaTrader into it, the broker. You know, I forgot you can do that.
$885.55 profitable day.
This will be shocking, but what you're about to see could indicate that there is a small part of him that is in touch with reality. Somewhere next to saying he trades poorly to prevent his broker from copying his trades is a small piece of him that knows he can't trade. And that's why he didn't start the stream until he got a huge winner on a brand new reset sim account just minutes before going live. That is why the fraudster had the delusional balls to claim profitability on a day where he very clearly lost.
Bro, this guy is cooking ICT, bro. He's even showing what delusional means. I'm Iman. Shout out to Iman, like, or Iman. Shout out to Iman, bro. This guy knows how to cook people.
Every trade and traded well, he would have said, now imagine that on 10 contracts instead of 1. Well, luckily for us, we don't have to imagine. If you traded 10 instead of 1, you'd lose 10 times as much as usual.
Alright, guys. This Iman, he knows how to cook, bro.
Enough to not know what stop-loss hunting is. Telling beginners that someone or something manipulates the market to make you fail is what gurus say to grab the attention of unskilled traders. Luckily, For these traders, the gurus just so happen to know exactly how it's manipulated and are willing to teach you. Nice. And all you've got.
Oh my days! I mean, that's facts, bro. I'm gonna give that to Iman. Like, if you lose, just admit you're gonna lose. Like, I post my trades, I post my losers and my winners. I don't care. Like, who the fuck cares, bro?
What to do to get this information is pay a one-time fee of $200 plus
I mean, this ICT may have some pressure on it, like 10,000 watching or what I heard.
$50 a month for a few years.
See that? Aren't you glad you paid for this with PayPal? Best money you ever spent.
Because I've done all these same things, okay? And yes, I made a
Bro,
lot
this
of money
ICT lab,
taking
bro,
other
it's
people's money
hilarious.
from them on a month basis. I did that, okay? I did it. But I make far more money trading and profiting from that.
If you were to ask me, and I have been asked this, have I made more money teaching, okay, and have I made more money teaching in mentorship than I have in live trading? And the answer is yes. I've made millions, millions, and millions, and millions more teaching mentorship.
Because if
I mean, that's just like basic knowledge, but you gotta be honest with it. If you make more money, with your mentorship, just admit it. Like he admitted like later, but before he didn't admit it. But this is basic knowledge. Like if you think it like this, he has a million subscribers, and I'd say many people may buy his course, and obviously that's gonna generate a lot of money. I'm not saying that trading doesn't work. Trading works. I mean, it works if you know how to trade, but yeah, it's just obviously you make more money with your mentorship, ICT. Like, obviously, you're inspiring many millions.
you can do what I've taught, you don't need to run your own mentorships. Because if you can do what I've taught, you don't need to run your own mentorships.
Anyways, when ICT
I mean, that could be right, but like I've told you, I won't be honest, 97% of traders actually lose. So for some people, they need.
loses 5 times in a row on a sim account, it's someone else's fault. But if you get stopped out on a trade, then it's your fault.
If you got stopped out in futures, you placed your stop in the wrong place, period. That's the truth,
Ooh.
folks. That is the truth.
But the
All right,
insanity
bro, that sounds like fuck it.
and delusions don't end there. Even the stop-loss hunting believers who would be profitable by just doing the opposite of themselves if stop hunting was as real as people think, will agree with the following. This picture with the candle's wick just barely poking through the top of support, a supply zone, Jonathan, or whatever else you want to call it, is often referred to as stop hunting. The concept, whether valid or not, is typically characterized by price action just barely poking through something before reversing. Yet here's one of ICT's trades that supposedly got stop hunted. Don't you just hate it when you get stop loss hunted by your own algorithm? Don't you hate it when you get stop hunted and price goes 30 points past your stop loss? Aw man, I hate when I get stop hunted by my own game.
It's interesting, isn't it? I can call
And most of you are getting permanent brain damage from watching this video.
Don't look away, son. You don't need to move the stop. Just let it go. Don't worry. It'll go. Just relax. You don't need to do anything. The limit order will do everything for you. Okay? Keep watching it. It'll go. Just relax. No. You don't need to don't take anything off. Just let it go. It'll be a full pull.
There is practically an infinite number
What is this? Bro, that sounds.
Don't take anything off. Just let it go. It'll be a full pull.
There is practically an
Okay?
That sounds like an emotional trader.
You don't
in tweets to bring up while referring to this 2-day live streaming rise and fall and the fact
Hey
that
man,
he lost
but
5
this PNL, bro, that's something, bro.
in tweets to bring up while
That's like,
referring
I
to
don't know
this
if
2-day live
ICT had a bad day or something, but you cannot defend this. Okay? When you win, you should make more. That's just basic facts. But when you take. Hold on, did he take 6 trades in one session? In one. Wow. Okay.
streaming rise and fall, and the fact that he lost 5 trades in a row with a self-proclaimed 9, including proof that his 2024 Robin yet. Except I'm 1.5 years into creating my own system.
Yes,
Support
sir.
2024
Alright, guys,
Robin.
that's about it, man. But shout out to Iman Trading. I mean, I'm gonna put this like for him. Shout out to him. And obviously, shout out to ICT, bro. Like, he knows how to trade, bro. I'm gonna give that to him. But he he has some issues with as you saw with the psychology part. I mean, I cannot even defend ICT right now. But honestly, I use ICT concepts, but in my own way, in a simple way, and I teach it in a simple way. End of story. Like, I'm not one of those meat writers like you see on TikTok. Like, someone says something bad about ICT and they just attack on him. Nah, bruh. I just want the truth, okay? I mean, thank you for watching, guys. Peace.